Hi, in this video we're going to see how to open this kind of lock that has a little square in it. So all you need is something like a pair of scissors or a screwdriver or a spoon or anything that has a rectangular tip. And all you need to do is, so here it's open and we are going to lock it. So put it in the diagonal of the square. Here the scissors are a bit too small, so we can open them. Try that again. Open them, apply some pressure. So here it is open. Now it's locked. So here it's locked. And oops, put the scissors back in and turn. And now it is open. One thing, on some of these doors, there is a little metal piece in the hole, so you can't open it with the scissors. However, you can just squeeze this thing with some tweezers or pliers or anything, and it's the same thing. You can turn the plastic part and the lock will turn also. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.